Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and I'm here with
Sienna.
This is my 8-year-old sister, and she is going to be doing my makeup today, but I'm going to be helping her and telling her how and what to do. So that's it. So let's just hop right into this video. Everything you need to know will be in the down bar, all my social media and all that stuff. Everything's right there. So
And make sure you subscribe.
thank you. Yes, subscribe.
And hit the thumbs up.
So let's just jump into this video. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be teaching her how I do my makeup, kind of telling her what to do, but she's going to do it all. So the first thing that I do when I do my makeup is my eyebrows. And lately, because it's summer, I've just been using an eyebrow gel, and this one's by Essence.
Focus.
You gotta like... It's focused.
It says, make me brow.
I take it like I would take this, and you're just gonna run it through my brows like that and kind of shape them. Now this specific eyebrow gel is great because it has a lot of color, so it'll fill it in as well as shape it and make it stay in place. So you're just gonna run that through my eyebrows.
Okay. I'm scared. No, I don't want you to be looking. I want to surprise you.
Okay.
Ew. Why is it so clumpy?
So like starting right here in the middle, brush that way.
Right here.
There you go. Because you want the hair on the front to be up, but not over there. So do the same to the other one.
What about the fins? Here. You like it?
They look good, yeah. What I like to do next is my eyeshadow. I am a eyes before face person, and she picked out the ColourPop Yes Please Cute AF eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. She knows the eye look she wants to create with these colors, so...
And probably usual people, like kids, would do like purple and blue.
She wanted orange.
Yeah.
So I am going to give you free range for the eyeshadow part because it's kind of self-explanatory. You just put them on my eyelids. I could tell her the order and stuff, but I think she has in mind a look she wants to do, so I'm just going to let her do it. So you just use whatever brushes you want and whatever colors you want, and you just put them on my eyelid.
Okay.
I don't do underneath yet, so you're just keeping it right here.
Yeah, I don't like under.
Okay. So you tell them what color you're dipping into.
So I'm gonna be doing focus.
No, you don't have to. Just don't worry about
This
focusing.
color. It's other names.
The name's on the back, but ColourPop is so confusing. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Comment down below if you guys, right now, guess what I'm trying to do with this orange. Like what, it's a season, so you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
I don't know what that meant, but...
You
Okay,
probably
go.
Ew, this is ugly. I'm joking.
These eyeshadows are pigmented.
My God, it's like brushing everywhere.
Do you know what pigmented means?
No.
Means when the color's like
Don't open your eye.
really there. I don't even think I know what it technically means. It just means it's like
Tentacle.
technically.
So now I'm gonna use this yellow color.
She's taking the yellow in the palette.
Same exact palette though.
You're putting that on the outer V.
I guess. I don't know what that is.
That's the outer V. So the orange color you just put all through the crease and on the lid. And this one I can feel you're putting on the outer V.
Okay, I have to do a pretty more on this side. That side was a lot.
Are they even?
Here, you should get your answer right now, what you think it is. Don't tell me.
Summer?
No, don't tell me.
Next step is foundation, and this is my favorite. Love it and behold. LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is in the shade Fair. I don't know if this is my shade, but we're gonna find out. So here you go. So you take that with
Sponge.
a beauty blender and you dot that all over my face to give me a nice even beat face coverage. I like a lot of coverage. I like all
I put 2
this.
squirts for that.
I like all, you're gonna need more than 2 squirts, but start off with 2 squirts and then build it up. So again,
I don't like it. Why?
You pat, you go like this. Not.
And that's what I do for my meat.
So you dab, 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 dab.
Sorry, I'm not a makeup artist. What?
You don't want to mess up your eyelid. Did it just
I'm
get
not.
on?
No. Barbie, I'm careful.
Next is concealer, and I'm going to use some, well, she's going to use some Shape Tape. And I mix the,
Oh,
this
you
is
put
concealer.
it on your, like...
You put it under your eyes.
Oh, I thought it was like that.
So I take both of these colors. So first I take the shade Medium because I'm a little tan, and I do 2 dots. 2 dots.
Don't dot. Don't dot. It's the cake done.
So put 2 dots under my eyes. Okay.
Okay, that one I got it. Like,
Yeah.
another 2 dots?
Yeah, I kind of like swipe this color. Like,
Okay,
just do a
okay.
swipe
Okay.
and a swipe.
Swipe. Swipe.
In this color, I take.
But you
and
have 3?
No, it's the same color. And I put it down my nose and on my chin.
So just do that. You start up here?
Yeah, on my nose. It's a little high, but that's okay. Okay. Well, I do swipes, a bunch of swipes on my chin. Because that's where I break out the most. Okay. And then you blend it out with...
You look weird. Probably can't see it on camera that much, but...
I use the beauty blender,
Must be all this.
the sponge, and do it.
Do I swipe?
Don't swipe.
Tap.
Like,
Yeah.
try to use this. Right?
Let me see.
What?
I don't like under your eye.
Go.
Yes.
Okay, so now it's time for the bacon. So you keep that.
It's bacon.
Now I'm
There's no
taking.
bacon.
She's
I
gonna.
want bacon. I want bacon.
It's called bake. You bake your face. So this is
Why
the
do you call
Maybelline
it bacon?
Fit Me Fair 05 Infamous Powder. I'm like out.
Up here too.
No, you can get my forehead.
I don't know what I'm doing right now.
So you do the other thing. So swipe
Swipe.
and then pat the rest.
Oh, I'm sorry if I get it in your eyes. This is probably gonna be my favorite part.
So after I bake, I like to take some spray. This is the Smashbox primer water, and I just spray my whole face to soak up any of the excess powder. So she's gonna spray my face.
Yay!
Okay, you're blocking the camera. Moving on, the next step of
like
my
that?
makeup that I do is my lower lash line eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow that I put down here. And then rub it.
That looks like I just did a line.
So just rub it. And blend back and forth.
I need a little
And then,
that one has a little bit more.
yeah, put some more on the edge.
Beautiful.
You like? Are you done with this?
Yes.
Okay. So, I really quick threw on black liner because she wanted it. So next is mascara.
Oh, this is easy. This is like the only thing I do.
This is the CoverGirl Super Sizer mascara. It's a really good one.
Let me look. Okay, now what I do, I never know how to do under.
Just a little bit. You just made the nose. You want me to look up to do my lower?
Yeah. Why did you do that?
Because you touched my eyeball.
Why did you do that?
Because you touched my eyeball. Okay, so
It looks a little bit black.
we had some technical difficulties,
Yeah.
but we are now moving on to the next step. So the next step is contour and bronzer.
Oh, I know contour. You put it on your cheek.
Yes, this is the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I
You do it
love
like
this.
this. Look.
Yeah. So the brush I like for this is either the Morphe 1 or the Morphe 3. This is the Morphe 3, the gilded. So you're just going to dip into here. Not too much. This is pretty pigmented. And, well, you can do a little bit more. Do kind of like a... Okay.
I like the smell.
This one don't smell. So...
Well, I like it. I tried. Don't smile. I feel like that was a little bit too much.
And then a little bit on the nose. Like under the nose. So you kind of swipe, and rub it on my nose.
Oh. Swipe, swipe.
And then go on the sides.
Side, side.
And she's contoured. Next step is blush, and this is one of my favorite blushes. This is by Flower Beauty, and it is in Peach Primrose. It's this gorgeous peach blush. So my favorite blush brush is the Morphe Y4, and this is a very pigmented blush. So I tap twice, and that's really all you need. So you just put it on the apples of my cheeks.
Okay.
So tap twice. Okay, so the next step is highlighter, and this is the palette she picked out. This is by Naked Cosmetics, and it is the holographic highlighter collection, and it looks like this in this packaging.
What even is highlighter?
This packaging though, look at it in the viewfinder because of the light.
Oh, here.
All of it, yeah. So highlighter is where you put up here and on your nose, and it's that shimmery stuff.
Here. I decided to do this yellow color.
Okay, so you're gonna dig your brush in there a lot and put it on top of my cheekbones right here. And swipe it more, like blend it in.
That was a little bit too much. Am I gonna blend it in more?
Sure. And then do the dip in some more. And go on the other side. the final step is lipstick, and I have this little
My favorite.
cup full of lipsticks and lip glosses, and she can pick whatever color she wants. So what color will go well with this eye look? So the lipstick she chose was the Pretty Vulgar My Lips Are Sealed metallic lipstick, and it's a really pretty shimmery lipstick.
Shiny.
And the packaging is so cute. These focuses are just a joke, but okay, put it on my lips. So you want to use the flat side because that's where all the product is.
Helping me out, bro. Yeah, I was about to say do that.
So we're going to use one more round of primer water, Smashbox. And remember what I told you, go far away and just do like 3 sprays. That wasn't far away at all. Here we go. Alright, and this is the final makeup look that Sienna did on my face that I tried to guide her in the direction.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
Okay. So,
That's the end of the video.
guess the season.
What season this look was based around? Summer?
No.
Fall?
Yes.
Because it's orange. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.
And I want you, since I told you my age, comment down below your age.
Yes. And if this video gets how many likes?
1K.
1,000? I don't get that many views.
Okay, 1 million.
What about like 20? But I'm gonna, maybe the next video I will do her makeup and turn her into somebody. So let me know who I should turn her into. And just, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And she will be in a lot more videos. So stay tuned. Bye guys.
Bye. Love you. No, like, did you put the camera on yet?
Yeah, it's recording this whole time. We're started.
Oh. What?
That fly just went on my face.
I got it on your skin. Oops. Like
You're
blocking the whole camera.